guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these custom jewelry boxes using my Glowforge. I have the Glowforge Plus. A big seller right now for my business is my name necklaces, so I decided to make some boxes to go with it to keep it cute. So these are my boxes. I get them right off of Amazon. I will leave the link down below for you guys. They're just this shiny plastic cardboard box. I also made this jewelry care card right in Canva. Here you guys can screenshot it if you want to see. This is one necklace, so the box does come with the fabric inside. So I have it like that. And this is this one, just like that. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the boxes, my settings, and everything I use. So to put the box in here, what I do is first I put a full box in my Glowforge. So what I do first is I take a box, one with a lid, I take it and I just push it against here to line it up. This is to make sure it's straight. And then I take another full box and I push that along there like that. And then I would take the lid of my new box. So I take just the lid. So this is the lid from this box here. Take that and I just put it on top. Make sure it's even. It's hard to do it one hand. Then I just take my painter's tape and I tape it. So for the design, I'm just using my logo. This is my logo. I created it in Photoshop and then I brought it into the Silhouette software and I just divided it into two pieces. So these are two separate pieces here because as you saw on my thing, one is a lighter color, one's in a darker color. So I want the settings to be different for that. So what you do for that, you just want to make sure your outlines up here are different colors. So for the big ER, my outline is blue. And then for the Engraved designs, the outline is in red. That's going to separate the design in the Glowforge app for me. And then you would just save as a SVG. You do need the business edition to save your stuff as an SVG. So you would save as an SVG and then you would go to the Glowforge app.glowforge.com and you would just load your design in. And this is my design in. Everything's lined up already. I like to just do set focus again every time I load a box because it does move sometimes. Now for my settings, what worked for me is I use the 20-pound copy paper for the lighter part that I want, the ER. It's going to automatically go to HD graphic. I do not like that settings. If you guys saw where I put this top one on, the box top I already did underneath it, it didn't look that good. That was the HD graphic settings. We don't want that. So we're going to change it to HD photo. You're going to leave the speed at 1000. The precision power I do at 65. And then the pattern density here, I just click all the way over here. Like so. And that's for the ER settings. And now for the Engraved designs, want that to be a little darker. So for that, I do leave it on the HD graphic. And it's going to be 1000 power. And I just do it at 85. And that's it. And then you will make sure everything is lined up how you want it. You will hit ready to print. It's going to calculate it. These take about 5 minutes a box. There you go. And then you will come over here and you will hit your lovely glowing button and you can watch it, man. So yeah, so this is the first one I did that was the HD draft for the ER. As you see, it did not come out that good. This one is the HD photo and I put the dots per inch all the way to the top. And as you can see, it looks way better. And then I just take like a little wet rag and just wipe the little residue off, and it's perfect. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye now.